So, in behalf of the Regional Office of UH,
Pwedeng pa-video na lang.
would like to
Nakaganyan na
thank
comment.
the team of CBFC. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. The team of SIMC. From the province of Isabela and the City Health Office of Santiago. So without them, this training would not be possible kasi kung tutusin, nag-iisa lang po si Ma'am Lucy sa program. So thank you very much for your love po sa ating mga public health workers. Kasi from hospitals po yung mga trainers natin. So the certificate of appreciation is given to for her invaluable insights, experience, and expertise shared with the participants as resource speakers during the conduct of geriatric training for primary care providers this July 1 to 3 at Hotel Carmelita, Figueroa City. Signed, Amelita F. Pangilinan, MD, MPH, Secretary, Director 4. First, this certificate is given to Ma'am Leilani T. Agcomili. Mamaya na yung ay, hindi pa sa
Wow! Ma'am! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Next, this certificate is awarded to Ma'am Soledad M. Cruz. Oh, aswan na daw po sila. Next, we have Ma'am Maria Angelica Magandon. Next, we have Dr. Maria Teresa Bulawan. Next, we have Ma'am Glenda Obispo. Next, we have Dr. Floresita A. Reyes. Ay, kasama ba? Ay, kasama pala daw. Sobra pala yung kasama. Sobra. Ibalik ka! Sorry, naman pala yan nung mamaya. Kayo naman sure nung ilalagay, ha? Next, we have Sir Frederick C. Sanson. And dyan yung ilalagay yung contracts. Sorry, tinanggal ko kung mga pala kasama. And of course, last but not the least, Ma'am Floresa A. Soriano. Ayan. Pwede ka daw po sa kabila, sabi nito. Ayan,